Hello everyone! Whether you're a long-time follower of Xikestor or a new friend visiting for the first time, welcome to Xikestor's channel. Today, let's cut straight to the chase and unbox Xikestor's product, the 18-port gigabit switch, model SKS1218GR. If you're curious about what's inside the box and how the device feels, let's take a look together. Alright, let's open the box. The first thing you'll see is the protective foam, which does a great job of preventing damage to the device. Let's start by taking out the accessories from the top layer. At the very top are the product qualification certificate and user manual. Next, there's an AC power cable and a set of switch mounting brackets with screws. If you plan to mount the switch in a rack, these accessories are ready to use, no need to buy anything extra, which is super convenient. Finally, here's the star of today's show, the SKS1218GR gigabit switch itself. The device feels solid in terms of build quality, and the 18 gigabit ports can easily handle multiple devices connected at the same time. Whether it's for setting up a home network or for small office use, this switch is a great fit. Well, that's all for today's unboxing. If you have any questions about this switch, such as specific usage scenarios or connection methods, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.